high-profile Jacksonville rapper is asking a judge to throw out all evidence in the criminal case against him. Attorneys for Charles Jones, also known as Foolio, claim the case against him is the result of an illegal search and detention. A new motion notes that Jones was held handcuffed for 2.5 hours, even as he was told it was, quote, a routine traffic stop.
And the rapper's attorneys also want the prosecutor removed from the case, saying that she inappropriately showed up at the scene and instructed police to collect evidence without a warrant. On Your Side's Ann Schindler reports tonight what started as a stop for illegal tent has become a battle over a rapper's constitutional rights.
I would probably classify Foolio, with my military background, as a high-value target.
Former federal prosecutor Patrick Carody thinks Charles Jones was targeted because of possible gang connections, but he thinks law enforcement may have overstepped due to the sheer length of the stop.
Those law enforcement officers, if they came to the conclusion that there was no crime committed here, they had a duty to let them go on their way.
He says it's unusual for a prosecutor to direct evidence collection, even though an officer here can be heard saying there's no cause for arrest.
I don't think we have enough on back.
From a 10,000-foot view, that conduct not inappropriate. What is questionable in this case, I think, is we're talking about seizing cell phones and taking cell phones. You would expect them to have a search warrant if they're going to seize and then search cell phones.
Police interest in Jones as a possible gang member may be valid, but Carody says it should not override normal procedure.
There's no special rules just because you're a rapper or you're a suspected gang member that means that you have any less protections under the Constitution.
Ann Schindler, First Coast News, On Your Side.
And a spokesperson for the state attorney's office said it's routine for prosecutors to assist law enforcement at the scene of certain crimes, including, quote, arrests involving individuals associated with violent crime in our community. The office believes it will prevail on the motions. A hearing is set for August 1st.